What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Chef Smooth back with Triple B Barbecue. Today I got something special for y'all. Today is a California treat, well known in California, but we here in the South, we like to eat it too. So today, tri-tip. Stick with me, I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's coming up.
Yo, let's get it. Get that thing out the package, pat it dry real good. We're gonna do a dry brine on this, which basically means salt the hell out of it, throw it on a wire rack, throw it in the refrigerator so it can sit, let that salt penetrate while the grill come up to temp. Don't forget them sides, make sure everything has salt on it, plenty of it. We're gonna score the fat cap real good. That way the salt can penetrate even a little bit more all the way down to the meat, because you know salt ain't no seasoning gonna penetrate through fat. So we're gonna score it up. We're gonna fire the grill up. Probably gonna put it about 280. When you dry brining, it's best to let it sit overnight in the refrigerator, but you know, I'm ill prepared. So it's been about 45 minutes. Grill's up to temp. We're gonna rinse it off real good, pat it dry, and we're gonna get ready to season this thing on up. The lucky seasonings today are Cosmo Q's cow cover and Texas beef. We're gonna go in with that cow cover first because it's a little bit finer. And you know, just get a good coverage and then come back over it with the Texas beef. Texas beef is a little more coarse. So, but season it real good, man. Don't be scared to season that thing. It's already got plenty of salt, so you ain't got to worry about that. And neither one of these seasonings has a lot of salt in it. So just season it. If you ain't sneezing, you ain't seasoning. Ain't that what that dude say on TikTok? Yeah, do that. So go ahead and season it up, both sides real good. And once you've given it plenty of love, man, we're gonna throw it out there on the smoke. We're gonna do a reverse here on the Pit Boss Pro Series 1150 today. I'll throw 2 probes in there because the probes act up a lot, man. We're gonna be damn sure we got the right temp. It's been an hour. The average between both the probes is about 120, 124 degrees. I got some charcoal screaming hot, man. We're gonna sear this thing off. Look, when you're searing, every 30 seconds, flip. You see how close I got that charcoal. So we're gonna flip every 30 seconds until I get the crust that I want. I'm gonna continue to monitor what the internal temp is with my probe. But like I said, just wanna flip every 30 seconds. That way we can ensure a good crust without having to ruin this damn thing. It's a good steak, man. This is really good steak. If you've never tried it, you gotta try it. And I know y'all see, every time I go to flip, I take my scraper, my cleaner, and I clean them grates before I lay it back down again, man. That's gonna give you some real good marks. It's gonna give you a real good sear. Make sure you get them edges. I'm telling you, man, this thing's gonna come out beautiful. Oh yeah, I like that. It's time to come off. The grain runs funny on a tri-tip, so it runs in this direction right here, and then you just got to constantly turn. I'll see if I can't throw a diagram up, but you'll see how I'm gonna cut it. Cut the tip in this direction, and as we continue to cut down, the direction of the fibers starts running different, so you have to start angling. If not, you're gonna have a real tough cut. You're gonna be chewing the hell out that thing. So look, just do it like this and you'll be good. If you pay attention when you first take it out the package, you can see how the fibers run on a tri-tip. And if you got to, just make a mental note or take a picture of it so you won't mess it up, because you don't want to be chewing on this thing like leather. I'm telling you, if you do it right, man, it's so soft, so good. Man, I know you can't tell because of the light on my phone, but this came out a perfect medium. Maybe a touch over, but man, it was beautiful. It was pink, it was soft. Let's get us a taste. Oh yeah, man, the face tells it all, folks. Look, you ain't never had tri-tip, I suggest y'all go and get y'all some. Look, I appreciate y'all. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for the love. Thanks for pushing us past 100 subscribers. Look, y'all come back, man. I got more to come.